निशा मैम।
Yes.
मैम मुझे ना 20 आउट ऑफ 20 आएंगे साइंस में।
Okay, good. Yes, very good.
क्योंकि मैंने जो दो क्वेश्चन आंसर ज्यादा पक्के किए थे ना, सिस्मोग्राफ और वो एपिसेंटर का,
Hmm.
वो दोनों ही आए थे।
अच्छा, good.
Ma'am, I also got 20 out of
I also
20
got
in
also
science.
worldwide 20 out of
Ma'am, I also got 20 out of 20.
Okay, what about you,
Ma'am,
Dania?
I also got also.
Okay, Dania.
Ma'am, I also got the 20 out of 20 in science, ma'am.
निशाद
Yes.
मैम, अगर सबको 20 आउट ऑफ 20 आए तो क्या होगा?
अच्छा है ना? Yes, Dania. How was your paper, beta?
Ma'am, it was very easy.
Okay, good. Have you written the question answers then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Okay. Yes, who is Salim Lakhani?
मैम मुझे है ना
मैम
20
इट
में
इज
से
उजमा।
18।
इट इज उजमा।
No, Salim Lakhani. Uzma Lakhani. Yes. Salim Lakhani. Yes, open your microphone, beta. Yes, what is your name, beta? Talk with me.
लाखानी उजमा सलीम भाई।
Okay, beta. Then why you are not coming online class? You are having your phone, right? So I have seen you first time. बोलो बेटा क्यों नहीं आते ऑनलाइन?
मैम मैं आती हूँ, पर है ना मैं बोलती नहीं हूँ ना, इसलिए।
ओके सो अब से क्या करना है, मैं आपको नाम नहीं बताऊंगी बट यू हैव टू से योर नेम और व्हेन आई आस्क यू यू हैव टू रिप्लाई मी. ओके फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रिसीव योर नेम एंड देन इफ आई से यस ओके यू नीड टू रिप्लाई. अब अगर आप रिप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको सबको समझ आया कि नहीं समझ आया, राइट?
मैम निशाद मैम।
यस. यस
मैम
ताहिरा.
मेरे पास 11 लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं थे न, तो मैंने है ना 11 लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक में से ढूंढ ढूंढ कर निकाले और लिखे। सब राइट ही है।
ओके. यस अबाउट व्हाट अबाउट यू शफक मलकानी, सकीना राजानी, जोहर, हाउ वाज द पेपर?
पेपर वाज वेरी इजी।
Okay, what about you, Seerat Fatima? What about you, Seerat Fatima? Yes, बेटा बोलो.
मैम मुझे है
Yes.
ना 20 में से 18 मिलेंगे।
Okay. Okay. Your Sakina, your mic is not working. Okay, don't worry. Okay, fine. Okay, so today we will what will we do? We will do some paper solution. Okay, so you guys are having some doubts. Okay, we will clear those doubts, and then afterwards we will start our new chapters. As you know that we will learn chapter number 12 because we need to start our new portion and new chapters. Okay, so we will not waste our time. Let me just go to the drive. And from there, I need to open fifth girls link. Girls fifth link. Hmm. Can you
मैम
able to see the screen?
नो मैम।
नो
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am, we can't see your screen.
नो
I
मैम, योर
forgot
स्क्रीन
to
इज
share
नॉट
my
दैट।
screen. Yeah.
यस मैम, नाउ इट इज
यस
Yes,
मैम।
अवेलेबल।
now it is visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, my
So
man Fatima Nayani.
अलवानी कुलसुम।
Ma'am, my
what
roll
are
number
you?
41.
Okay. First, you have to
Girls.
fill all the basic. Okay, your name, your roll number, your division, your mobile number in first section. Now
Yes,
in second section, you need to fill the question answer. So
yes, ma'am.
I will say the name, okay, and you need to reply the answers,
मैम
okay. You don't
मैम
everyone please
मैम
off your
कैन
mic
आई
everyone. No,
Yes,
I
sir.
want
And
everyone to
say
off the
the name.
microphone. Okay, I will take the name and you need to reply the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
एक्सक्यूज मी निफाद मैम
बोलो ईमान.
मैम आप अपना मोबाइल रोटेट कर दो ना
Yes. Okay.
मैम रोटेड में नहीं दिखाता है, वो था ना वो ही बराबर.
Yeah, this will it will आप अपने भी rotate कर दो ना phone. You just guys rotate your phone as well. So where you will see this type of big screen.
ओके मैम.
यस मैम इट्स नाउ वी कैन सी
Okay. When I rotate my phone, you guys also rotate your phone. So because when you will rotate your phone, you will see a big screen of your Google Meet.
ओके मैम
Now we will start a first Lakhani Uzma. Uzma Lakhani start reading. Yes, Uzma Lakhani start reading better.
Long iron petrol of intact in
Yes.
in
Okay, so there is a mistake. Okay, there is lots of mistake in your reading. Okay, you need to learn how to read better. Okay, आपको reading के लिए बहुत जरूरत है. Okay, थोड़ा
Can I
आप
read
ध्यान देखो,
Alicia?
आप ध्यान से सुनो. Okay, तब आपको पता चलेगा. Okay, yes, Daniel, start
मैम
reading.
कैन आई इन.
No, Dania, Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading question number one, beta.
A long dry period of insufficient or no rain.
Insufficient, insufficient.
Insufficient or no rain.
Okay, what will be the answer?
Drought.
Drought, yes. First is aftershock, tsunami, and then drought. Okay, answer will be the drought because answer is drought. Yes, answer is. I have already said the answer. Okay, so you will see a green tick mark uh, next to the answer. Now, question number two. Who will read? I want Iman Nayani to open the microphone.
कैन आई सैयदा.
यस मैम दिस
Wait a
टाइम
minute. Okay, बेटा सबकी चांस मिलेगी. Yes, Iman.
Number two, a simple machine is a tool that makes our work. Answer is easier.
Yes, answer is easier. Now, question number three. I want Saida Nayani to open the microphone.
Yes, ma'am. An object throws up comes down because of the force.
Of this,
Ma'am, this. Yes, ma'am, of this force. Ma'am, number two on option two.
yes, what about this?
Gravitation.
What is option number two?
Ma'am, I don't know how to speak that.
Try it, try it. I'll help you. Try.
Gravitation.
Yes, gravitational force.
Yes, ma'am, gravitational force.
Okay. Now, I want Mehreen Sheikh to open the microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading question number four.
Yes, ma'am. When volcano throw out magma, it's said to be.
Yes. Option, read option.
Option option number one active, option number two extinct, and option number three tsunami.
Okay. Yes, what will be the answer?
Answer is active volcano.
Very good. Answer is active volcano. Now you have to say true or false. Okay. Yes. Can you say me? Who will say? Tathir. Tathir Jamani. Kulsum. Okay. Kulsum.
Ma'am, can I marry?
No, beta. I will give each one. Okay, one chance because
Okay, ma'am.
I want everyone to read and answer each. Yes, Kulsum.
Yes,
Alwani
ma'am.
Kulsum. Start reading number one.
Yes, ma'am. Filled is a fraction
Fulcrum, beta, it's
point.
not filled, it's fulcrum.
Fulcrum is a fixed field on the point
Fixed point,
in
beta, fixed point.
6 point each
Around, around.
around move. नहीं
Beta,
अराउंड
कहाँ है?
मैम मैं
Around.
पहले से रीड करूँ.
Okay, yes.
Fill is fixed.
Fulcrum, beta, fulcrum, fulcrum.
Fulcrum is a fixed point around which a road moves.
Yes. What will be the answer? Yes. Answer बोलो. Yes. Don't worry about your अगर नहीं आते तो भी एक आंसर दे दो. It's okay. Don't worry.
False. No, ma'am, true.
True. Yes. Fulcrum is a fixed point. As you know that in Caesar also the middle point is having screw. Okay, something like screw. It is known as it is fixed in between. Okay, I'm giving just example of Caesar. Okay, when you see the Caesar, middle point is fixed. Okay, so that fixed point is known as fulcrum. Okay.
No, I want to give answer Malik Tahira.
Yes, Tahira. Second question.
Strong earthquake are called aftershock. False.
False. Yes. And what is
Nishata,
known as yes.
I want to give answer. Muskan.
What? Sorry, who?
Muskan.
Wait a minute. Okay, I'll give you everyone chance. Yes. So answer will be false. Yes. So what is known as aftershocks? Better. Can you answer me? What is mean by aftershocks?
No, I don't know.
Who is no? Who is you? Muskan. You know what is aftershocks?
Ma'am, it is called
Yes.
weaker earthquake.
Weaker earthquake. You know when it is coming aftershocks?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so, aftershocks are followed by the strong earthquake. When strong earthquake happens, after strong earthquakes, there are small weaker earthquakes take place. Okay, so this after sorry those weaker earthquakes is known as aftershocks. Okay, जब बड़ा सा earthquake आता है ना फिर उसके बाद छोटे छोटे आते रहते हैं मीन्स 2-4 दिन के लिए एकदम
Ma'am,
छोटे छोटे आते हैं आधे तो समझ आधे तो पता भी नहीं चलता है ओके सो दिस टाइप ऑफ
Ma'am,
व्हीकल earthquake is known as aftershocks.
ma'am,
Yes, Muskan, start reading number 3.
yes, ma'am. Question number third. Friction is a type of force. First option true. Option two
Yes,
false. Answer is option one true.
yes, it is true. It is a friction is a type of force. Yes, now who will read number 4? Please say me your name.
Iman,
No,
Muskan.
Iman. No, Iman. I want new voice. Okay, new girl. Yes, beta. Who will say? नाम बोलो.
ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yeah, and my voice is clear, beta. Yes, Malik. Malik, you will say me? Tahira, not Tahira, okay? Faiza Malik is there, Aisha Malik, who is there?
Ma'am, she is Faiza Malik.
Okay, open the microphone.
Ma'am, I
Who? Faiza.
Tahira.
Tahira, आपने तो एक बार बोल लिया ना?
Ma'am, I tell whose turn is not come that name.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Firoz Malkani.
Yes, okay, okay. Who is Firoz Mulkani? Open the microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Humaira.
Humaira, okay. Humaira, you came for first time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why you are not coming online, beta? You are having any problem? You don't have any phone at your home? बेटा यस बताओ मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आप क्यों ऑनलाइन नहीं आते हो?
मैम मैं
आप
तो
क्यों?
रोज आती है लेकिन वो बोलती कम है इसीलिए।
ओके बट मैंने तो आपको पहली बार देखा, नहीं सुना। व्हाट इज योर नेम बेटा? लेट मी राइट योर नेम। आपका नाम क्या बताया आपने?
हुमेरा।
फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड राइट? माय पेन इज नॉट वर्किंग। यस फिफ्थ। हुमेरा नवाखानी। Okay, yeah. Yes. Can you answer me number fourth?
An earthquake can also occur in sea.
Yes.
True.
Yes. Yes. Earthquake also can happen under the sea. What will happen if under sea will? What will happen, Humera, if earthquake all occurs under sea? Yes, बताओ बेटा. Okay. Yes. Who will say me?
मैम
Yes,
सी का
Iman.
मैम
मैम
कैन आई
सी का सारा वाटर बाहर आ जाता
ओके यस, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पानी बाहर आ जाता है तो क्या बोलते हैं? हाई टाइड्स होती है राइट? उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, tsunami.
Yes, tsunami. Better don't say in between. Okay, let her recognize. Okay. Now,
मैम
whose whose
आई
turn is
टेल
left? No, whose
मैम
turn is left?
इमरान मलकानी
Yes, Imran Malkani. What is your name? Faiza Malkani.
नो मैम
नो
शी इज
मैम
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
खदीजा
Okay.
खदीजा
Khadija. Okay. Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Okay. Yes. Read. Yes, girls. Start reading. Yes, Khadija.
Trees can get uprooted during a dash earthquake.
Yes. Answer option is
Strong. Strong.
yes. Yes. Our answer is strong. Why? Why trees get uprooted? Because trees क्यों निकल
When
जाते हैं
strong
root में?
when strong earthquake will come, then trees will uprooted.
Yes, because the roots and because the earth surface shakes too much. Okay, when earthquake comes, what happens? Earth the surface होती है वो बहुत shake होती है, right? Because of that, it is getting cracks from inside. Okay, so now because of that, trees are getting uprooted. Yes, who will answer me the second one? New name, new girl.
कैन आई
यस मैम आई टेल
Who? What is your name? I want new name, beta. New voice.
मैम टुडे अलीशा मूसानी टर्न हैज लेफ्ट
Yes, Mushani. Yes, Mushani. Musani, Alicia. Alicia, Mursani,
Yes,
open the
ma'am.
microphone. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Reply me the second question. Read
A
it first.
piece of a a piece of a plastic rubbed with wool acts acts like a magnet.
Yes, Musani, answer me.
Ma'am, she left.
Okay. Yes, Musani, you there, beta?
मैम शी लेफ्ट
Okay. So who's left? कौन बाकी है अब?
मैम
Ma'am,
सबकी टर्न आ गई
I'm
Who?
sub
मैम
Sakina
सबकी
Rajan.
आ गई
Can I
Fatma.
Iman? Can I Iman?
No, Iman. I want everyone to answer. Okay, so I want
मैम
anyone get.
सकीना राजा रिटर्न हैज नॉट कम
Okay. Wait a minute. Your screen has gone. The screen is
मैम
gone.
No, ma'am, it's there.
मैम
Okay.
Ma'am, Sakina Rajani turn has not come.
Okay, can you read
Ma'am,
second one?
Urin Malik turn has not come.
Yes,
Can I
फटाफट.
mention?
Rajani?
Ma'am, she
Ma'am,
said my mic is not opening.
Ma'am, Sakina
in
has
chat box.
directed in chat box that my mic is not working.
Okay, fine. Okay. So,
Musani Alisha joined.
Answer Malik Tahira.
Malik Tahira is finished, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Musani Alisha has
Alisha
joined.
Okay, Musa and Elisha, what was the problem? Better, you are having some network issues? Okay. Yes, now who's left? I think so, no one is left, right?
Yes, ma'am, no one is
And
left.
ma'am, Safak Malkar
Ma'am, Safak
Girls,
Malkar
please,
is
only reply one. Okay, if you are replying all together, I can't understand a single word.
Ma'am, Sirat Fatima Vakil.
Yes, Vakil. Okay, yes, Vakil Sirat has left. Yes, Sirat Fatima.
Safak Malkar is also left for
Okay.
answer giving.
Okay. Okay, yes, Sirat. Sirat. Vakil Sirat Fatima. Please open the
Ma'am,
microphone.
she can't opening her mic.
Okay, don't worry. Then okay, left it. I want Malkani Shafak to open. Shafak
Safak.
Malkani हो गया आपका बात? आपकी टर्न आ गई?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is Sadaf. I think her turn has come.
Sadaf Lakhani. No, Sadaf Malkani has not taken the turn. Yes, Shafak Malkani. Open the microphone.
Alisha joined the meeting.
Okay. Yes, फटाफट बेटा. Sadaf, can you open the microphone?
Yes.
A piece of.
A piece of plastic rubbed with wool acts like a answer is magnet.
Okay. Can you say me which force is this? Okay, when you rub plastic piece of plastic with wool, okay, it like acts like a magnet. Okay, so can you say me the name of this force? Yes, can you anyone? Iman, Mahari?
Ma'am, I know Muskan. Ma'am,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
Mani has left.
Yes, ma'am.
To answer.
Follow Muskan.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
type of force is this?
Ma'am, which one?
Ask
Ma'am,
Mani is
When a piece of plastic is rubbed, girls, no, it's not electrostatic force. Okay, wait a minute. Let me just finish
Ma'am,
the.
ma'am, which one I want to give answer?
A piece of plastic is rubbed with a wool. Okay, it like acts like a magnet. Okay, so which
Ma'am,
type of
its
force is
answer is magnet.
Sir, can
no
I?
magnet? Okay, which type of force is this?
Magnet is.
Number three, are dash are cracks in earth.
Ma'am, can I say Muskan?
Yes, Muskan.
Ma'am, can I marry?
Muskan,
Can I say
electrostatic.
it when Ma'am Muskan's son is formed?
Okay, okay, Muskan.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I say?
okay. Next one. What is your name?
Kasman Ifat.
Ifat. Okay, Ifat. Okay, read number 3 now.
Yes, ma'am. Dash are cracks in the earth's crust through which magma comes out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I give answer, Marine?
Yes.
Ma'am,
No, I want Ifat answer it. Okay.
ma'am, answer is volcano.
Yes, volcano is the cracks in the earth that from which magma is coming out. Yes. Now who's left? कोई बाकी है?
Ma'am, Zedai Stone.
Yes, Zedai Stone. Yes.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
open the microphone. What is your name?
Raujani Inshia.
Okay, Insia.
Ma'am, I have to answer.
Yes,
Okay.
fourth number. Read it and answer me.
Ma'am, can I read?
A dash is a modified inclined plane. Ma'am, wedge.
No, wedge is not.
मैम मैम थोड़ा ऊपर करो ना मैम थोड़ा
Answer
ऊपर
is
करो ना
Third one.
मैम थोड़ा ऊपर करो ना
SCRE W answer है मैम.
Q, yes. Q is the answer. Now we have to identify the image. Okay. What is
Yes.
this? Which image is this?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer is third one.
Wait a minute. I'm not asking to you. Okay. Don't say me in between. I will take name and
Ma'am,
then you have to
my
answer me.
turn has only comes one time. Ma'am, my turn has not come second time. Can I answer, please?
Okay. Wait a minute. Where is Ganyani? Ganyani is there? Can you identify
I
Beba?
know Ma'am Kanyani is not there. No,
Okay.
Ma'am Kanyani is not there.
Okay.
Ma'am, Sadaf Malkani has not come.
Malkani Siddharth has turned came. Now, okay. I want. Okay. Yes.
Ji ma'am.
Can you answer me?
Red-eye stone has not.
Iman.
Muskan. Kulsum.
No, beta.
No,
Iman.
ma'am.
Can you answer me? What is this?
Yes, ma'am. What?
Which image is this?
Ma'am, you had not shown image.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
It's
My screen-
filling the blanks, ma'am.
The blanks.
Wait a minute.
You scroll up, ma'am. Scroll up.
Scroll up, ma'am.
No, okay. Can you see my screen?
You
No,
haven't
ma'am.
asked your screen.
Ma'am, now screen has only one.
Okay. Filling the blanks is finished, beta. Okay. So now after filling the blanks, you have to identify the image. Can you identify the image?
Excuse me, Shad ma'am.
It says
Yes.
dot image. DROT. Dot.
Yes. What was the problem, beta?
मैम
Ma'am,
red-eye stone की जब टर्न थी ना तब कुलसुम मलवानी बोल रही थी उसके लिए उसका टर्न नहीं आया है.
No, ma'am. She said answer after I say.
Kulsum ki आवाज. Okay.
answer is
Kulsum, don't say in between. Okay. So I don't want anyone to open the microphone without my permission. If I give permission, then only you need to open the microphone. Because if you are opening, there is lots of disturbance in here. Okay. I don't want any kind of disturbance, beta.
मैम उसने आंसर दे दिया फिर उसने रॉन्ग बोला न इसलिए मैंने दिया था.
But beta, अगर वो wrong बोले तो मैं अगर सुधारूंगी. Okay. You are not here to. Okay. I am here to make her explain. Okay, beta. You don't need to do this. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Hmm.
ma'am, this.
Yes. Now, can you say me which image is this? I want Ifat Malkani. Yes, Ifat Malkani.
Ma'am, can I give you ma'am?
It's
volcano.
Yes, it is volcano. Yes. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
now I want Dania Siddhartha to open the microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you identify this image?
Elastic force.
Yes, it is elastic force. Yes. Now, last one. I want. Who will answer me? Last.
मैम कैन आई
No Muskan, no Mary, no Iman, no.
मैम कैन आई मैरी
Kulsum.
मैम कैन
No.
आई
No Kulsum.
कैन आई से खदीजा
Yes, Khadija. Yes.
मैम कैन आई कासमान
नहीं अब what is the which is this image?
पुली
It is fully, yes, fully, yes. Now question answer. Yes. What happens when force is applied on the moving object? Who will answer me?
कैन आई मुस्कान
No, Muskan, Iman, nahi. I don't want because I'm just hearing that only. कि Muskan, Iman, Merin, Kulsum. I want another people to answer.
मैम कैन आई
Tahira,
कासमान
Malik.
इरफत
I want no. Tahira, yes.
Yes, ma'am. If the force is applied it in the direction in which the object is moving.
then what will happen?
Move
Yes.
fast.
Yes, move fast. Yes. When you apply, you can just write in very short. When you apply force in moving object, it will move fast. छोटा सा एकदम डायरेक्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
I had written that a force can make moving objects slow down or stop and change the direction in which an object is moving.
No, I just asked that what happened when you apply force in moving object. So moving object हो रहा है, okay. So what will happen? If ball is moving and you apply force in same moving object, what will happen? It will move fast, right? Now define effort. Who will reply me what is effort? Yes, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am. A effort lies between the load and the fulcrum is called effort. Example, fishing rod, tweezers are the examples of effort.
Nah. Okay, examples of efforts, okay, good. But effort you have described very wrong. Who will reply me what is effort?
Can I, ma'am?
Ma'am, but you had not given this PDF only. Ma'am, can I, Marin?
Ma'am, can I, Iman? I know answer.
Marine.
Yes, ma'am. The force used to move the load is called effort.
Yes, the force you move to.
Ma'am, my
Yes.
answer is right.
Yes.
Is right, Alvani kuch. Answer is right.
Okay. Effort is the force used to move the load is called effort. Yes. Now what is epicenter?
Ma'am, can I, Iman?
Ma'am, can I say Muskan?
No Iman, no Muskan. Malkani Humera. Open the microphone.
Ma'am, can I, Marin?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer me. What is an epicenter?
Yes, ma'am. The point on the surface
Mm-hmm.
to the earth,
Mm-hmm.
which is directly above the focus.
Focus. Yes. Is known as epicenter. Now, what is seismograph? Who will say?
Ma'am,
Can I, Iman? I know answer.
No Iman, no Kulthum, no Mary.
Okay, ma'am.
So I want who will answer me? और कोई बोलो उसका ना उसके अलावा. Yeah, where is Farin and Farana? Farin and Farana is there?
No, ma'am, not that.
Okay, can you say Nayani Saida?
What, ma'am?
What is seismograph?
1
Ma'am,
minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I, Marin?
But I'm not having any minute now. I'm just having 3 minutes to continue to close this session. Okay. Yes, Mary. Bolo.
Ma'am, I know answer.
Yes, Mary.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I, ma'am, Iman?
Yes, seismograph. Marin, bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am. The strength of an earthquake is measured using an instrument is called seismography.
Seismograph. Very good. Okay. So our session is finished here. Okay. From tomorrow we will start a new chapter. Okay.
Ma'am, but I say one thing, can I say?
Yes. What happened?
Ma'am,
Yes.